I got a problem. I got the camping fever. It's Saturday, 4 o'clock. I'm going camping. It was supposed to rain today and tomorrow. That's kind of changed. There's like a 30% chance. I'm taking the risk. I'm going camping. Kitchen's clean. I'm ready to go. House is clean. Bed is made. I've already done my laundry. I'm ready to go. Got my cooler. I'm bringing a cooler as dry storage. Paper plates, plastic bags. Here's a tarp. Bare butt, my chair, all that. Here's my sleeping bag. And just, you know, camping stuff. Got my towels in a box that I'll burn. Camera equipment, drone. My wallet and all that. Of course, my Costas. Here's my cast iron. I like to keep everything kind of, that's kind of dirty. It's really dirty cast iron. Of course, my seltzer. Anyways, it's good. Just finished that painting. Let's go look at the boat. Nice and sunny outside. Here's what we're working with today. Ow, ow, ow. So I got four waters, 4 seltzers, 1 Red Bull, a pocket knife. I'll probably use this for meat only. Keep everything sanitary. And 3 tortillas. These you have to cook. Chicken breast will be the bait. Bacon. And I'm doing the adaptable lemon peppercorn chicken for dinner. Along with butter, 2 jalapeno poppers, and 3 eggs. That'll be breakfast. So I'm just gonna hook the boat up, load all that on the boat, go to the boat ramp. If there's no one there, I'm gonna document everything because last time it was a total nightmare. Winds are about 10 right now. It's 4 p.m. so the winds are kind of picking up. That's it. I'll see you on the water. So this whole past week it was supposed to rain. It really never did. I was getting a little fed up. I was tired of waiting for good weather. Finally, the weather broke. It was supposed to rain today, but I guess things changed. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so I'll probably cut out early and go visit Ma. Let's undo the transom saver. All right. It's a little windier than I thought it would be. Got everything unloaded. About probably 10 to 15 mile an hour winds. I came in, parked the boat, but the tail end just kept getting whipped around. Had to mount it with the front towards the waves with my line going to the tree, another line going to that tree. Got a block of wood underneath the transducer to keep it from rubbing. Jeez Louise, it is just a tish windy. Got everything unloaded. I'm gonna set up the hammock, cut some chicken breast, maybe go for a little swim, chop some firewood, and get ready for the night. Should be around, I'd say 68 tonight. I just brought a pair of pants. Let me check the weather. This better die down. Camp, it's set up. It's a little bit of a bummer, but I had to put up this tarp. Tried to do an A-frame. So I got my main runner, my ridge line, and then ran another ridge line down there. All I had was these little bungees, but it'll keep me out of the rain. So not perfectly in the center, but it'll do. I had to redo the camp, all right? The wind's coming from the south today, so it's gonna blow the smoke that way. So I'll probably film from over here and cook, got all, I spend a lot of time doing this, okay? So I gotta label every single jug today's date, and then I'll just set them on out. 5/13/23, done. I'll cross out the old date, put the new date on. 5/13/23. This one's a dud. Duds go over there. So I got all my lines set. I ended up setting 6 of them, probably 10 hooks. All my hooks are basically about to break or broken. So I already know I got one on there. I say it every time. Freaking beautiful out here. And I did hear something rustling around my camp when I was setting my hooks. So might be in for a surprise when I get there. Maybe Ricky's giving me a visit. Okie dokie. We are gonna make this fire extremely quickly. So I'll start out with the base. All the small pieces of wood. And then the medium pieces of wood. I got it down now. I think I got it. Time to get the cornbread going. Three-quarter cup of water. So that's what we'll do. Stir it on up. Put that next to the fire. All right, guys, we're ready to cook. I'm gonna throw the cast iron on. Oh, great. All right, don't do what I just did. We'll throw some butter on it right now. Okay, it's quite a bit of butter. So we're gonna throw the chicken on. Oops. Cooked in butter, thyme, and garlic. Next, I'm gonna do these poppers. I don't know if I have enough heat. It should be sizzling right now, but it's not. Couple jalapeno poppers. Cooked in butter. Let me add a little more fire here. Let me rotate the cornbread. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook for a minute. It's probably not gonna rain. And if it does rain, it'll rain for 30 minutes. So I said, you know, screw it, I'm coming out here. It's calm as hell. And it's roughly 80 degrees, so I'm probably not gonna burn through all this firewood. It is pretty hot. The only reason I'm burning it, you can see on my left ear probably there's a mosquito. I'm burning the wood to keep the mosquitoes away. So I managed to bring my thermometer this time. I'm gonna try and see if it's 165. It's only 120. Okay. Chicken's done. Let's go ahead and get her on off. Everything's done. All right. Let's make sure we don't spill it all. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. So it's gonna taste better than it looks. Let me get the water on here. Put this back on my wood. That butter is going into the mashed potatoes. And the water's going on now. So let me pop open the mashed potatoes and I'll put it on this, on the cornbread there. All this is going in there. Scrape it really good. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Y'all know the drill. I'm going to clean my cast iron right now. Water's hot enough. Hopefully I got enough. Okay. We're good. So that's what happens with poppers. You always lose the cream cheese. Let's try it. Holy crap. All right, the poppers are good. So that is perfectly cooked chicken. Perfectly cooked chicken. That thyme, holy crap. That thyme's gonna be the best part. And then the mashed potatoes. Oh. Try a little bit of this chicken. Okay, so the mashed potatoes, I just took a little niblet to clean off my little spork. Mashed potatoes are on fire, okay? They're pretty dang good. Not over seasoned. Okay, let's just try a piece of chicken. Piece of chicken. Amazing. Ooh, bug on me. Dang it. I need that fire going. I need the fire going so the bugs don't crawl on me. Hey guys, just got done flying the drone. Wow, I can't see downtown Dallas, but I can see the end of Lake Lewisville. A lot of lights, a lot of lights. So the cornbread came out way better than last time. It puffed up like two inches. It's completely done. I freaking nailed it. Oh, that's hard too. Okay, so I'm gonna put a dollop of butter on it. Cornbread last time wasn't that bad. It was actually really good. But this thing puffed up 2 inches. And I'm like, that takes skill. Oh, guys, is that not the best freaking cornbread by the fire you've ever seen? There's people that can't even cook that good at home. Okay, initial taste test. I'm going right in the center. Holy crap, look at that. Oh boy. I'm gonna eat this up, do a little night catfishing. Probably got 10 catfish already. I'm going out. I'm gonna go fish. You know, I got some catfish over there on the line. What's up? I'm on the boat. It's nighttime. Got the spotlight on the boat. Didn't have time to order one from Amazon and install it. So We're gonna go catfishing. It's probably, I don't even know what time it is, but I don't really care. And hopefully I get quite a bit. Cooler's on the boat, fish finder on. We're fishing, let's do it. Okay, got our eyes on the first jug over here. Turn the fish finder screen off so I could see better. What do we got? Stole my bait on one. Stole my bait on one. I'm gonna let that go and find the next one. It's looking like I got one straight ahead. Looks like there's probably something on it. Okay, there's definitely something on it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm way off, I'm way off. A small one and a big one. Who's your friend now? Who's your friend? You tell me who your friend is, let the other go. I guess we're off to a start. That's a keeper. Hold it now. Excuse me, sir. Okay, so he's good. I don't know where I am. You can go down in there. And this guy is a keeper, I think. He's definitely 12. I'll freaking keep him. It's the last catfish I'll ever keep. Guarantee you that. Guarantee you that. God, he's small. I'm not keeping it. I think I could do a little better than that. Rebait the hooks. Where's my chicken? Let me hammer down this liquid IV before I start touching freaking catfish and raw chicken. If I had to redo these freaking navigation lights, I'd point them down. They're freaking blinding me right now. Am I neutral? Guess I'm in neutral. Let me pound this liquid IV. Two pieces of garlic chicken going on. I have a tendency of catching the smallest catfish in Lake Lewisville when it's at night. I don't know what it is. I have no idea where I am. It's so freaking dark and I got lights in my face and I'm just freaking out. Are you good, man? All right. Coming up. I see it. Looks like there's something on it. There's definitely something on it. It's probably the smallest catfish ever. But I'll take it. Come here. Come here now. Whoa! Oh my God. It just took off. Oh my God! It just took off when I tried to grab it. Holy Nikes. I think my headlamp scared it. There's something on. Let's try it again. Probably broke the hook. I don't even know where I am right now. All right, we'll try this again. Hit it with a little speed this time. He won't see it coming. There's a big one on here. Here we go, here we go. Let's do it. Oh, I felt the freaking hook break. Ah. Oh my God, the hook. Damn it. That was a big one. Okay, we got one right here. Nothing. So this is not the thing to do at night. This is just too hard. I'm whining. I want to go home. Just kidding, guys. It's a beautiful night. If I could get the light out of my face, I was gonna say it's an awesome night. I'm over here and I saw deer's eyes in my headlight. Got a little closer and I'm looking at them. They're bedded down on this little, basically the shore, the bushes by the shore. And I know you're not gonna be able to see it. Dang. Freaking awesome. I cut the motor, tried to get as close as I could. I'm blind as a bat out here, guys. Ooh, there's one. That is a small one. Well, I'm not gonna disturb them. They are trying to sleep, so. There's about 4 or 5 of them. Well, back to jug lining. Okay, I think I got one on this jug here. Let's see if he's got a friend. See if he's got a friend on him with you. Here we go. Let's see if he's got a friend. Okay, I hope the hook does not break. He might take off. And I'm amazed there's nothing on there. All right, here's the deal. I was just trying to enjoy the nature, the quietness, and I see my jug get lit up, so we gotta go get it. I can't see a damn thing. Oh my God. Oh my God, I knew it got lit up. I knew it. Holy crap. Oh my God. That thing is huge. What are you doing, bud? It's very quiet. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at that. Look at that. In the cooler, baby. Oh, get in there. Yep, he's a feisty one. He's feisty. He's feisty. That was a big old fish. So I ended up catching 2 catfish. I'm over here by the fire trying to dry off my sandals. Last fire of the night. It's probably 1 a.m. Gonna throw on some pants, go to, whoa, that almost got my foot. Throw on some pants, go to bed, wake up early tomorrow for bacon and eggs, and probably limit out. Rough night camping. Rough night camping. 2 a.m. started raining. I got a little wet. I did have to hop out of the hammock, dump out some water, and come back in. I'm surprised I even was able to sleep a little bit. I'm drying out the sleeping bag right now. So I think I'm just gonna go fishing. That's alligator gar. Got a ginormous spider trapped in that cup. Let's see how we did. Hopefully no small ones. Nothing. Stole my bait. I'll have to rebait this hook. I'm missing all my jugs. There's one. Hell yeah. Okay, let's rebait. Nice piece of chicken. I'm missing 4 jugs. That storm did a number on them. Found the last 2 of my jugs. This is a big one. This is a big one, guys. This is a freaking big one. Holy, it's so freaking big. It's huge. God, it got away. These freaking hooks. Ah, damn. Son of a gun. So after many failed attempts at starting the fire with wet wood, I ended up having to take a piece of cardboard, dipping it into the gasoline on my boat, and putting it over here, getting a spark to it. Kinda got it going. If this fails, breakfast is gonna be scratched. So hopefully this works. It might rain a little again today, that's fine. It just rained right now, briefly for like a minute, or sprinkled. I'm disassembling camp. Breakfast is going. Give this a little flip. Oh yeah. And 3 eggs, couple pieces of bacon. I don't think I'll be doing those tortillas. So it's just eggs and bacon. With a little bit, little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. Okay. Hopefully there's enough wood in there to cook that. Well guys, that's gonna do it. Just ate the bacon and eggs. It came out all right. Kind of ran out of heat from the fire. That's what you get when you're cooking with a firebox stove. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm cleaning up. I'm gonna set all my stuff over there. I'm gonna go out, get all my lines, catch all the fish, and then put them back in the boat, come back, pick my stuff up, and get the hell out of here. I'll see you on the next one.